Well, 12 wants to know, could you still owe the bank thousands of dollars after a foreclosure or short sale? The answer is possibly. Melissa Blasius takes a look at the laws to see who's protected and who could be paying for years to come.
Don't make a $100,000 mistake. Talk to a real estate attorney and your tax preparer before your foreclosure, short sale, or deed in lieu goes through. In some cases, homeowners in Arizona can walk away from their house without owing a dime. They're protected by the state's anti-deficiency law and the Federal Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act. That means their mortgage lender can't sue them for the difference between the foreclosure price and the mortgage balance. And Uncle Sam won't make you pay taxes on the difference either. Who's covered? People who never use their house as a piggy bank.
Well, if you have a purchase money mortgage, the lender cannot look to any other asset of the homeowner if you default on your loan. That means if you had $1 million in the bank, they couldn't come after that $1 million.
When it comes to taxes, the IRS tells us homeowners must file special forms to ask for mortgage debt forgiveness, and it only applies to their principal residence. Other homeowners may find themselves owing thousands of dollars after a foreclosure or short sale, no matter what their current financial hardship. Attorney Robert Nagle says if you refinanced your first mortgage and took money out, your lender can choose to take you to court to foreclose, then sue you to recoup the money. And if you took out a second mortgage or home equity line of credit,
unfortunately, they have 6 years after you default on the second to pursue you. And so many individuals assume that after a year or two they haven't heard from their lender that they're in the clear. Unfortunately, it could be several years still to go.
The state's anti-deficiency law does not protect homeowners who are short selling. So some lenders will ask homeowners to sign a promissory note, an agreement to pay back the shortage on the mortgage over several years.
When you sign a new document saying that I will have liability, then you will have liability. You may feel it's worth it just to be done with the transaction.
Otherwise, Nagle says homeowners need to make sure the bank agrees to a full release from the debt in writing. For You Paid For It, Melissa Blasius, 12 News.